If you try sending data to your loved ones and you keep saying you don't have any active data bundle available, don't worry, I've got a solution for you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why MTN is sending you that message and the new code that you can use to share data to your loved ones. Hello, if this is the first time I see my face, hello, my name is Grace and you're welcome to my channel. What we do here is to talk about money making platform, how to grow our YouTube channel, and time to time I also come here to share how we can get cheap code from any network that you know in Nigeria. So before we proceed with the video, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also share to your loved ones. They'll be informed about this new code and this new way to share data to everyone in Nigeria. Remember, you're helping out, all right? Subscribing to my channel won't cost you a dime, all right? So don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you, yes, to do so. Now, if you try to share data to your loved ones and you see this message that says you don't have any active data, this message can be so annoying. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the solution to this problem, all right, what you can do and how to go about it to solve this inactive data bundle that you cannot share data to your loved. By the time you finish watching this video, you will get a solution to this problem if at all you are facing it. You can also share to your loved ones if they are actually facing this problem and they don't know what to do. I'm going to be taking you through a scripted video and share with you every detail that you need to know on how to solve this issue, guys. Let's go. So the old code that we're using to share data to our loved ones is that 312 hash. If I'm using this code, then stop using it. It's not working anymore. If you're using MTN, all right, this is for MTN users. Do you understand? So now let me share with you the new code that you can use to share data to your loved ones and how you can do it to share data. So the new code is *321 *321 hash. Do you understand? So if in case you don't know how to share data before, you can use this code to share data. Now when you click on *321 and you send, now immediately you click on the message, this is what immediately you click on the code, this is what will pump out. Welcome to Airtel and data transfer. Welcome to airtime and data transfer. So with this code, you can actually transfer airtime and data to your loved ones. All right, so what you need to do is to click on number 2, which is gift data. Gifts. So when you click on number 2, this is what will pump out: transfer from data balance, buy for a friend, request from a friend, view pending requests. All these things you can do with this code here. All right, so all you need to do, since you want to do transfer from since you want to do transfer to your loved ones, since it's data transfer that you want to do to your loved ones, you click on number 1. All right, transfer data from data balance. Remember, it is your data balance that you are transferring your data from. You're not buying for a friend. If you click on number 1, when you click on number 2, you buy for your friend or your loved ones. Do you understand? Or your wife or anybody that you want to send to. Now you click on number 1. So once you click on that, it will get to this place again. You see number 1 from access data balance, number 2 from extra value bundle. Then you got, if you click on 0, you go back. Now the one you will click here is number 1 from access data balance. You click on number 1. Now immediately you click on send, they will ask you to put the person's number you want to send this your data to. Do you understand? If you want to send data to your wife, you put your wife's number. If you want to send data to your husband, you put your husband's number. If you want to send data to your sister, you put your sister's number. Do you understand? So you go ahead and put the person's number here. All right, so immediately you are done putting the number, you click on send. So once you click on send, you put in the amount that you want to send, the amount of data that you want to send to your loved ones. All right, it might be 500, might be 100, might be 200, might be 2 gig, might be 3 gig, might be 5 gig. It depends. All right, so you go ahead and impute the one that you want to send to your friend. So immediately you click on send, you say please confirm you want to transfer 100 MB from. I just want to use this one as an example, so I'm going to go ahead and click on proceed. Once you get here, you click on proceed. All right, you click on proceed and you send. All right, so once you click on send, messages will pump out from your screen. So yellow, you have gifted 100 MB to this number, share link, blah 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 blah. All these ones will show. So if you try to send data like this, and if it is giving you issues like a message will pump out that you don't have any active data, now this is why MTN has come up with a new rule that if you don't purchase data of 3 point something gig and above, you will not be able to share data to your loved ones. Like if you do like daily data of 2.5, 2 days data of 2.5 or 1 gig, MTN will not allow you to share data to your loved ones. So any data that you want to share to your loved ones, make sure you do 3.5 gig and above, like a weekly data. Like it's weekly data that MTN will even allow to share to your loved ones. So any data that you want to share, make sure you buy whether from your OPay or your PalmPay or directly from MTN. Make sure you buy data of 3.5 gig and above, or a weekly data. Do you understand? Don't send MTN will not allow you to share data of daily. If you purchase a daily data, MTN will not allow you to share it to your loved ones. So any data you want to share, make sure it's weekly or above 3.5 gig or above 3 gig before MTN will allow you to share that data to your loved ones. All right, hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share this video to your loved ones so that they can see and know how to share data and get a solution to, they cannot send data to their loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.